All right, guys, this channel is made for traders who are tired of losing money to institutions, the banks, to take advantage and try to take our money. I'm here to give you an edge to show you which stocks to trade and how to trade them so that you can achieve financial freedom through trading. So let's do it. Starting off, we got stock number one here. Okay, stock number one is ATRA. ATRA is one of our few performers, one of the few stocks that actually performed today. And boy, did it perform. This stock really went up quite a bit. It was one of the few stocks that was going up on the day. A lot of other stocks went down, including, sadly, a lot of our stocks didn't go to the buy point. Or if we took a swing position, we actually had a small loss on those. It happens. We are looking at ATRA tomorrow. We want it to come above the buying point at $4.38. We want it to come to about $4.48 is the first profit target, also going for $4.57 and $4.67 if we can get that big win. Second is CLVS. Now, this is not a stock I necessarily recommend to trade tomorrow, but I do recommend to trade this stock, period. Why? Why? Because CLVS has the habit of trading down for a long period of time and then taking off like an absolute rocket. And I do believe that we are near the lows for CLVS. Maybe it can go down to $1, but really the lowest it can go is about 50 cents, okay, based on the price history. So right now would be a pretty decent time to start getting into this stock, because when it blasts off, this stock can double or triple, okay? So this stock is, again, at a really decisive point right now. If it goes down a little bit more, then you may be able to get a slightly better deal for it. But I do think it's going to curl up before then. CLVS. So keep an eye on CLVS, not just tomorrow, but the next few days as well. With a stock like this, I recommend buying a few shares. Buying, and continue to do that, okay? And this is, I'm not saying average down indefinitely, but if you buy shares, especially as it starts to come back up, most likely you'll also be able to be a part of a squeeze, okay, where the stock starts to pop up even more, okay? So we saw the stock here pop from 85% to $1.19 and then went all the way to $2.15. So that whoever invested here at 50 cents, they were able to triple their money in a few days. So I highly recommend you guys take advantage of that as well and start getting into this stock now on some type of confirmation. Now, if it continues to trend down, I'd say our uncle point is at 55 cents, okay? So be willing to hold the stock all the way to 55 cents and even hold it for a few days like happened here. However, about around now is when I would say start considering building a position in CLVS if you want to swing trade the stock. And keep in mind that you must have a very large stop loss because it's still above $1 right now. If anything, only buy shares if the shares are above $1. If it breaks below $1, put a stop loss at about 97 cents. That's it. Or probably even better would be at 75 cents. If you put a stop loss at 75 cents and it hits that stop loss, then that's a time to get out of the stock until it starts showing us some more strength. But you can definitely start building a position now just above $1, because the upside potential here, and the CLVS does have a record of doing this, is very, very high. The potential for it to go to 150, 175, or really past $2 is, I'd say it's almost a certainty that that's going to happen some point in the future. This is a stock market. Anything can happen. And make sure you use a stop loss in accordance with your risk principles. MGAM, that is our final stock. MGAM, that's the IPO, gapped up on one day, and then it started to sell off again. But it didn't sell off completely. It even had a green day here. I do think this is a green bull flag formation. So I'm not going to give you the exact stop losses, entry levels, and price targets today. But what I will tell you is these right here, like MGAM, these this definitely, like if it pushes above $4, then we can get at least $4.50 for it, if not $4.75. So that is a pretty good stock to me. There's one more secret play I have, which I'm going to share with the Discord chat. If you want to get live coaching, if you want to learn how to trade the stock market, join the free Discord. Link is in the description. If you like this video, please show me that you like the video by liking the video And that is it. You guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for coming and being a part of the community. The goal here is always to make money consistently through a proven strategy. And that's what I'm going to help you guys do day in and day out. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.